Microsoft Office 365 login tutorial. If you're looking to sign into your Microsoft Office 365 account but aren't sure how, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into Office 365 step by step. So let's get started. To get started, open your web browser and go to Office 365 login page at office.com. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, you can also launch it directly. Now simply tap on sign in. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Office 365 account. This could be your work or school email or the personal email you use to sign up for Microsoft 365. Simply click on next and type in your password for your Office 365 account. If you've forgotten your password, there's a link there below the password box that will say forgot my password. Click that if you need to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Office 365 dashboard. From here, you can access apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. And that's it. You've successfully logged into Microsoft Office 365.